Beauty Babes, I'm Maria, aka Agape Love Girl, back with another Be Natural Organics feature and demo. Today's feature is the Sea Kelp Moisturizer. This is a great moisturizer for those with normal or combination skin. It could be used alone or as the last step in the anti-aging collection. This amazing anti-aging cream repairs, nourishes, and protects while restoring the natural youthful glow of healthy skin. The wax-free formula of this moisturizer allows for deep absorption of fruit-based glycolic and lactic acids, which help keep pores tight and clean and lend the skin to a smooth, youthful, rosy glow. Sea Kelp Moisturizer also contains intensive amounts of antioxidants, proteins, vitamins, allantoin, and red raspberry seed oil for natural sun protection. Benefits include reduction of skin damage caused by free radicals from stress, sun exposure, and pollutants, improvement of skin tone and discoloration from sun damage, increased collagen and elastin production, diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. It also provides microscopic exfoliation that helps shed dull surface cells, allowing healthy cells to emerge for glowing skin. You can apply this morning and evening. Apply in an upward motion to a cleansed face, neck, and décolleté. This is the full size, which includes 1 ounce of product, and it's available for $28. You can also get it in the try it size for just $4. I encourage you to check the description box linked below for more information, as well as links directly to the product and Be Natural Organics for more information. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask. And until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, Beauty Babes.